I visited Sundarijal for the first time. So, I was so surprising. How can I connect it to this place in just 1 hour? I'm sharing beautiful views with you. I fell in love with this place. Sundarijal, located on the outskirts of Kathmandu, is a beautiful destination known for natural beauty, waterfalls, hiking, and many more. Best things to do in Sundarijal: hiking and trekking, beautiful waterfall that is great for photography and relaxation. You can visit the one of Nepal's oldest hydropower station, built in 1934. Camping, picnic, photography and videography, cycling and mountain biking, birds watching, temple and monastery visit.